Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another rehouse today. Today's video is going to be rehousing my Peru blond, which is the Lasiodorides polycuspulatus. So he's going out of here into this bigger one, which is a bit bigger, a bit wider. Yeah, you can see the width difference, not much, but yeah, he'll be happy in there for a bit. So the first things we're going to do is I'm going to get some substrate put in. Just turn you guys around so you can see what's going on. So yeah, we're going to get some substrate in. Just bear with me a minute, boys. Right, so put some more substrate in there. So that goes there. There you go, that's spread out nicely. Now the item I'm going to put in is this one here. So yeah, it is big, but it will be beneficial to him because he's got plenty of room to go under. So that's something which is a bonus. Just pack it in underneath. Then we'll get some more substrate in. As you know, I do like to put it at the back, fill any gaps in, and also at the side. So we're going to get some more substrate. So yeah, put a bit more there, a bit more there. Come on, don't be shy, come out. There you go. Now, you can put that round that way. You've got loads of room to go under there. Now, he did have a little bottom top, but I am going to put him proper little water bowl in, so he's always got water. Just pack some down there. Right, some water in. Put a little bit of leaf litter in. Don't need masses, just a bit of different texture to walk on, and if he wants to use it for anything else. So that's that. Right, let's see if we can get a little fella in. Here you go, little mate. Ooh, we'll take that plant out. We'll put it just down the side there. There you go, kiddo. Have a bit of greenery. There you go. Now, to get the little fella to come out and go in there. So, first things first. Come on, mate. No way. There you go. There you go. Bloody hell, you was as good as gold going in there. No, don't quite. Oh, you silly arse. Look, what are you going to do? You're going to... Right, let's put you back in that way, shall we? Now, I thought you was going to behave yourself when you went in there. Right, try again, shall we? There you go. Where do you think you're going? Come on, back in. There you go. Right guys, that's him. Oh, hold on, he's coming out again. Right, you're going to stay there now? No, you're not. Right, here you go. Oh God. In you go. There you go. Right, lid for you. And that's it guys, that's him done. Little bugger. That's another one rehoused. I'll keep some of these to call bark out there. That can be emptied in there. Right then guys, that's the end of that video. If you did like it, please do give it a thumbs up. Up there, thumbs up. Do give it a ding-a-ling of the bell so you know when I subscribe again. Please do subscribe there and don't forget to comment. Also, go and check out all the amazing channels in the description. Some awesome channels there. Subscribe, they're awesome to follow back. So please have a look guys, drop them a sub. Until then, take care everyone. See you all soon. Bye.